finally made it to Pitti. How's it going? My name is Carlos Alberto. I talk about men's fashion, and today I'm in Florence for Pitti Uomo 108. If you've been a fan of the channel, you'll know that this is such a big milestone for myself, for my channel, for my career, and to be able to be here in Florence for Pitti Uomo 108 is such a blessing. I want to share with you guys what I brought along, especially the essentials for Pitti, because as you guys know, it's about style, making a lot of friends, and it's also about having a lot of good drinks and some fabulous smokes. Let's talk about it. So first things first is you want to accessorize with a nice cigar pouch like this, and this one is from Les Finas Llamas, and this one is a really nice green. It happens to match my trousers today. I did not do that on purpose. And what we have inside here are two wonderful cigars from Casa 1910. This is Cuchillo Parado, so this one is going to be a very nice medium blend smoke, and it's amazing. So these are actually one of my favorite cigar brands out there, so I had to bring some to represent. Another essential that you need for Pitti is something to carry all your stuff in. I'm not a bag guy, to be honest with you, so I have this really cool pouch here from Grams 28, and it's a really nice pebbled leather pouch, and it's amazing quality, and it feels good, and it also stores a lot of good things. As you guys know, as a cigar aficionado, you have to make sure that you come correct with cigar accessories. So from Les Finas Llamas as well, we have this beautiful, beautiful cutter, and this is ultra sharp, so clean, and essentially whoop, and you cut. And this thing is one of the sharpest cutters I've ever used, and it's extremely beautiful and top grade. So Les Finas Llamas has everything that you need for your cigar experience. Les Finas Llamas lighter, and this lighter is very amazing. Also matches with my trousers, and I promise you I didn't do this on purpose. This was accidental, but this thing is, there it goes. I don't want to waste it. This is perfect for your cigar. And also the way that this thing lights is right in the center, so you'll have a really nice balanced lighting experience, which is really important when you're smoking a cigar, because sometimes other lighters are not super balanced and you get to have an unbalanced cigar experience. So that's something you want to stay away from. But Les Finas Llamas, one of the top brands out there for you guys to shop. What's inside this bag? Let's see. Also, we have another cutter from Les Finas Llamas, and this was a gold one, a nice little gold plated, amazing cutter that we have here. The other one is specifically for Pitti, because you want to come correct. And also we have a nice cigar stand right here as well, so you can rest your cigar when you're not puffing away. And also another accessory from Les Finas is this beautiful cigar stand right here, boom. So you could do it either way, and for me, making sure that I have something for me and my friends to enjoy, because who wants to smoke alone, is amazing. And then I have a backup lighter right here from EGM, and as you know, EGM is one of the top producers of cigars, so you can't go wrong. And speaking of EGM, I will be attending their Black Tie Affair, which I'm very, very excited, because I got a special invitation, and for me that's going to be something really amazing, because I've been a fan of EGM cigars for a long time, which is why I decided to bring something in my stash, which this is the EGM Blancos and also the Tiburones. These are going to be fun to share amongst my friends, and as you know, Pitti is going to be a place where you get to experience a lot of networking, meeting friends, meeting people you look up to, or people that are in your workspace. And essentially this is just one of those big conventions for people who like to dress nice and also like to see each other online. So at the end of the day, I got these bad boys right here so that I can share with my friends. And these are a brand new pack, and I've been holding these for something special. And what's more special than Pitti 108 and also going to a black tie party with EGM, so I felt like it was very proper. So we have these nice, beautiful short smokes right here, these little shorties, and I like these because it smells so good, because they're going to be easier to smoke, and I don't have to necessarily sit down and enjoy a long smoke, because sometimes, you know, you want to have a nice little smoke with someone and then go on to the next event. So I want to bring something that was going to be very versatile. So these are a medium to full, and the length is 102 millimeters, Dominican cigars. And what else could we say? They're just noble and very, very good. As you guys know, I am the founder of Vintage Artisan, so we did bring some of our new collection and some shoes that are not released yet. So we have these beautiful Espina shoes right here, and these are online, but not this colorway yet, and they are extremely beautiful. These are all handmade, hand painted, hand weaved. The process is truly amazing, and the detail of this huarache is incredible. The ones that I'm currently wearing have this like almost python skin, and it looks amazing. The weave is so intricate, and the details of these huaraches are just next level. And this weave actually takes so long to make, and I wanted to make sure that we are able to really showcase the intricacy of weavings and what you could do with a completely hand-woven shoe. So this represents the process of the shoe, and even the inside is hand painted. So we have a nice red insole that we did on purpose, and also a nice darker chocolate brown black hand painted outsole here that is actually stitched on. So it's beautiful. The quality is amazing, and I am very proud of this new collection. Next one is what I'm going to be wearing at Pitti with my main outfit, and as you can see, this has this nice detail right here with the attachment from the heel, and this is more to just pay homage to where the huaraches came from. So this is a really beautiful, almost like basket weave, and it just looks amazing. I definitely love it, and it has this really nice detail here that we took inspiration from the very early huaraches, where you could pull this to put them on, but essentially you don't really need to do that for these. So what we did was just added that really nice detail so you could have a little bit of more room. And obviously the beautiful heel that looks really cool. So we know that the mules are pretty popular right now, but I didn't really want to wear a mule, even though I am considering removing this at some point and just creating a mule. So stay tuned for that. But amazing huaraches. Another shoe that we brought is this Jack Solover loafer, and this is called the Hattie, and this is the Hattie. This is called the Hattie, and this is a beautiful loafer. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen the video that I've made about this, and it is a beautiful suede loafer with a really nice double tassel feature right there. So this is just beautiful statements. You need this, and this is going to be a shoe that's very versatile. Obviously, I'm going to a black tie event, so a Cole Haan shoe is needed, and this is just comfortable. Last second purchase because I got invited to that party very last minute, so I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get some here, so I just had to go get some shoes. And Cole Haan, can't go wrong. And we have the Hildagio Vintage Artisan slipper as well here, and these are very amazing. A yellowish colorway, almost could pass as a brown, maybe not, maybe an orange. It depends on what light hits it, honestly, but these are really cool, and I was wearing these yesterday. Comfortable, perfect shoe to just tour a city in, very comfortable to be in. And what else do you need than a pair of huaraches for summer? Now what we have here is this tuxedo. This is actually from my brand BCR that's not released yet. I'm working on a collection, so this is one of the first tuxedos that I made. So what a proper way to introduce my brand than at Pitti. So here is the beautiful tuxedo that I'm going to be wearing. I just need to make sure I iron it. Don't worry, it's going to happen. Here's one of my main pieces that I'm going to be wearing at Pitti for the first day, which is tomorrow. So this one is going to be, so this is a safari jacket with these beautiful high-waisted Hollywood trousers. I can't show you the full outfit, just go to my Instagram if you want to see it. This is from Taylor's Keep. We worked really quick, really hard on this, and I'm proud that I brought it and that it actually made it because it's so beautiful. And this is a beautiful, beautiful linen by Fox Brothers, so super top-notch, making a statement here at Pitti. Here we have this beautiful suit. This is a double-breasted suit, and as you can see, beautiful lapels and beautiful stitching, so it's a little bit wide. We have these amazing trousers, Hollywood style as well, with a huge double pleat. So this is definitely gonna make a statement. It's gonna look really good, and it's this rich Irish brown linen. So what more do you need? Ryan and I decided, why not have fun at Pitti? This is a place where you want to showcase something really fun because everyone is wearing their best. So we decided to go for this sick pink looking thing and this pink safari jacket, and it's not a super loud pink either, and it's almost like a really light purple. So I don't know how to describe it, but I felt like this is gonna be really fun, and it has these really cool Gurkha pants that are kind of high-waisted as well, and I think this is just gonna be a really fun outfit to wear and explore the city and just to get photographed. But at the end of the day, the beautiful thing about this is that it's gonna make a statement, and that's exactly what you want. So this is a beautiful linen, as you can see, the color says it all, and beautiful pick stitching, hand stitching. The process of making this is just, Taylor's Keep knows how to do it. So if you're looking for something wonderful, make sure you stop by Taylor's Keep. Here we have this beautiful one-piece shirt from Taylor's Keep as well, in this really nice linen, everything linen because it is hot out here, and this has some beautiful detailing, like this really nice sheer and a really beautiful cuff that is just amazing. But the detail here is the one-piece collar. Here we have one of our main shirts that I'm gonna be wearing with one of my main looks, and this is a Revere collar shirt, and we're gonna iron this out to look like a really nice Cuban style flare. So I'm excited to wear this beautiful linen. It's almost like an off-white creamish color, but beautiful, and it's gonna stand out, so I'm excited. Here we have this really beautiful linen set, and these are the shorts. This is the shirt. I am debating on when to wear this one. I don't know if it's gonna be just on our night out or something a little more crazy, but this the same concept of the shirt, super beautiful Revere color shirt from Taylor's Keep, and it just looks amazing. And I think the color is just the color speaks for itself. The eyewear, these are all from TBD. As you can see, these are really beautiful frames. They are quality, they are stylish, and they are something that you need to make sure you have to look good. And we have this cool black acetate frame with blue lenses, and obviously the orange ones that I wear all the time. Not sure if I'm missing anything else, but those are mainly the essentials that I have for Florence for Pitti 108, which I'm super excited to be here. I'm sorry, my camera is running out of space, so I want to make sure that I get this out. But guys, thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want to see the full I guess, treatment of Pitti, go to my Instagram because that's where I'm gonna have all the looks out. So if you want to see exactly how these outfits look on in person, stop on my Instagram. They are all there at @Carlos. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy life, and thank you for following me. So yeah, thank you guys for supporting me, even if it's on here, on Instagram. That's why I'm here, and it's been a long journey, as you guys know, but we made it. So yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy Florence, enjoy Pitti, enjoy some smokes. Let's go.